Hey there, fellow gamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your gaming life easier. Today, we're diving into how to remove a card on PS4 in 2025. Whether you're dealing with an external hard drive, a memory card, or even an SD card for extra storage, this guide will help you do it safely and quickly. Why does this matter? Well, in 2025, with PS4 still rocking for retro gaming, you might need to swap cards for backups, upgrades, or troubleshooting. Let's get into it. First things first, safety is key. Start by turning off your PS4 completely. Don't just put it in rest mode. Power it down to avoid any data corruption. You can do this by pressing the power button on the console until you hear 2 beeps, or go through the menu if it's already on. Once it's off, unplug the power cord and any other cables connected to your PS4. This prevents static electricity or accidental power surges that could damage your device or the card. Next, locate the card slot. For most PS4 models, external hard drives connect via USB ports on the front or back, while memory cards might be in a specific slot depending on your setup. Gently grasp the card or drive, avoid pulling hard to prevent bending pins. If it's a USB device, simply pull it straight out. For internal-like cards, like an SD card if you've added one, use a safe removal tool or your fingers to eject it carefully. Pro tip: if you're removing a storage device that's in use, always check the PS4 settings first. Go to Settings, Devices greater than USB storage devices, and select Safely Remove to ensure no files are being accessed. This step is crucial in 2025's digital age to avoid losing important game saves. Once the card is out, inspect it for any dust or damage and store it in a protective case. Now, you can plug in a new one if needed and power up your PS4. Easy, right? Removing a card doesn't have to be intimidating, it's all about being methodical. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more PS4 tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video on PS5 upgrades. Game on!